Hey guys, in this part we talk about write and create files in Python. Write to an existing file. So we have this file, demo file.txt and this content, and to write an existing file you must add a parameter to the open function. So f is open and the file name is demo file.txt and the second parameter is mode. The first mode is A. A will append to the end of the file. So f dot write now the file has more content, and f dot close and read the file. F no well save and run, yeah, and check the file, and we have now file has more content. And for reading the file, change A to R, comment this and print f dot read, save and run, and we have the content. So Ctrl Z and save. And another mode is W. W will overwrite any existing content. So change A to W and f dot write oops, and I have deleted the content, and f dot close and save and run. Check the file, and oops, I have deleted content and we don't have before text. And create a new file. To create a new file in Python, use the open method with one of the following parameters. So the first is x. X will create a file, returns an error if the file exists. So comment this and f open this file, and this file is exist, run, and we have an error, and the message is file exists, demo file.txt, and I remove the file and run again, and the file is created. We don't, and without any content. And the second parameter is A, and A will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist. So we have this file, and change x to A, save and run, and we don't have an error, and we have demo file.txt. And if I remove the demo file, run again, and the demo file is created. And the last is W. W will create a file if the specified file doesn't exist, as the same as A. Save and run, and we don't have error. Remove, run again, and we have the demo file.txt.